what's interesting about your city? What's interesting about where you live? What do you guys like to do there?
I was born in a small city called Mansoura. I live in a village near to the city, and I think this city is interesting because it has the River Nile. It's located on the River Nile. Yeah, you can have a tower in the River Nile. Also,
Nile River.
Nile River. Yeah, you can have a tower in the. How can I say it?
Give me one moment, okay?
Yeah, okay.
I'm going to share my screen for you. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
What is this word?
Tower.
Good. What is this word?
Tour.
Better. Also Nile River, right?
Yes, Nile
You
River.
can take a tour. Actually, let me ask you this question. Do you use this when you go on the tour? Thing like this?
Absolutely.
This is called a ferry. Ferry.
Okay.
You can take a ferry. Yep.
Yes, you can take a ferry.
You can take a tour on the ferry.
You can take a tour in the ferry.
Sure. They have this as well in New York City. So when you go to New York City to visit Statue of Liberty, I took a ferry at the Statue of Liberty because it's surrounded by water, and it's a really interesting tour. Even though like it's 3 hours away from me, for me it's still kind of like, something interesting. It's still kind of cool.
Yeah, absolutely. I get used to it. It's like transportation here. When you wanna go to a different area, you can take a tour on the ferry.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?